No.
Alright, here we are down here at Koppel. We're always like making these videos. Look how big these tires are. Makes you wonder how something that big when it does come off the tracks. But yeah, those tires, I never noticed. Those tires don't even have an outside lip. So it runs on that inside, as you can see. So we're down here just making video. Here's something different, whatnot.
Get home. Hey.
Look, somebody ready to
Come
jump.
home.
Nobody's in there. This is sitting out here outside Koppel's deal here, so we're just taking a walk. We're walking through Koppel, so. And I've never noticed, if you notice on there, that there's outside and they run on the inside lip. So I guess it is kind of easier than I thought to derail. I thought they had double cup lips on those tires, but they don't. This is by the old Koppel school. We're down here. We just always take a walk just to for some exercise. Look, all these are beat to hell. There's the engines up here. Big old boys here. So it'd be weird to see one of these derailed, I guess. What do you want, Joe? Yeah. Look how big that big boy. That one there's still running. North Fork Southern, I guess. But just a train video down here in Koppel. Hopefully this baby stays on the rails since we've been having so many issues down there between here and Ohio. Over and out.